Hey, good afternoon. Darcy here with Media Mechanic. Here's that website audit I talked to you about the other day. Today I'm going to lay out the requirements what Google has evolved into to rank a website. Content, backlinks, citations. Really quick content, your pictures, words. In those words are your keywords that people are searching Google and other search engines for to find you. So, 1,500, 2,000 words homepage, 1,000, 1,500 words every other page. Give Google lots of content to crawl and they can find you very easily. Optimize your pictures, optimize everything within your website so it's working for you. That's my goal, is optimize websites so that your tool that you spend money to invest in your website, make sure it's making money. Getting your return on your investment is my goal. Backlinks, other websites linking to you. Stronger backlinks are other building maintenance companies linking back to you. Weaker ones are, child daycares or a Pizza Hut. But really, when it comes down to it, you want good backlinks to create a trust and authority that Google recognizes and ranks you. And the other thing is citations, just local listings and directories. We can put your company name, address, phone number consistently across the internet, and that just increases your trust value as well. How we measure all those factors. We use a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs measures approximately how many backlinks, citations, keywords. This is how many people hit your website this last month. So ideally, if your keywords, citations, and backlinks are all linked up, you got some really good strength here. But the closer these numbers are together, the stronger your website will appear in Ahrefs. Really quickly going over Janitorial Vancouver, 2 keywords people might input to Google to look for your services. We get the ad sections up here, so you can pay to play to be up here. We can help you get on page 1 by advertising. Citations. Remember those local listings and directories? This is where you would sit on page 1 if you had more citations than your competition. Organic search is down here. Vancouver Janitorial Supplies comes up first as the first company. And they just do supplies. So, this is your competition here. Let me show you what your competition looks like on my side of things. So, they too could improve on content. They don't have 1,500 to 2,000 words. You can see how pictures, I can't get that one, but you can see how pictures are saved, and that's how you optimize as well. Let's see their numbers really quick here. So they've got a little more strength here. Their numbers are closer together. They're higher. They have some consistent growth here. It's not so consistent though. But look how many people have hit their website in the last month. And that's because of this influx of attention, effort, time, money, really, when it comes down to it. Another competitor. Few words, few pictures, just like everyone else. Well put out website, but let's have a look at the numbers. Alright, so these numbers aren't so close together, so, if this person put in another couple hundred citations, their strength would jump up, and therefore your organic traffic is going to jump up. But you can see they're pretty consistent with where they're at, and possibly just have put in an effort back in 18, and then it's riding them out, and they're doing okay. So it all depends on your needs and wants. So if there's any advice that you're looking for, please don't hesitate to hit me up. Darcy, Media Mechanic, 780-918-0832.